Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to have a look at an overview of conjunctions. Let's get started. Conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, clauses, or sentences together. Have a look at the example over here. Susan is an amazing wife and a wonderful mom. Note that the conjunction "and" in the sentence is used to link amazing wife and wonderful mom. Now, conjunctions add complexity to our speech. They also allow us to form complex sentences instead of using multiple short ones. Have a look at the examples below. Bran likes eating. He doesn't like cooking. He finds cooking boring. Now, instead of these multiple short sentences, we can create one complex sentence by using conjunctions, as in the example over here. Bran likes eating, but he doesn't like cooking as he finds it boring. Note that conjunctions can be divided into the following categories. A. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions link two clauses, a main or independent one and a subordinate, dependent one. Now, the most commonly used subordinating conjunctions are although, as, because, if, though, unless, etc. Have a look at the example below. She won't speak with her parents unless they apologize first. Note that the main clause or the independent clause is she won't speak with her parents, and the subordinate clause or the dependent clause is they apologize first. Now, these two sentences were linked together by using a subordinating conjunction unless. B. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions connect two equal grammatical items. Now, these conjunctions come in pairs, either or, neither nor, not only but also. Have a look at the example below. Either we go to the party or we stay at home. Note that we go to the party and we stay at home are two equal grammatical items. C. Compound conjunctions. Compound conjunctions are phrases which are used as conjunctions. Now, a compound conjunction has two or three words that go together. For example, so that, as long as, even though, etc. Have a look at the example below. Mike lied to his parents so that he could go to the party. Note that the compound conjunction so that is a phrase that is used as a conjunction in the sentence. D. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are used to link words, phrases, and clauses of equal importance in a sentence. Now, there are 7 coordinating conjunctions: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Now, you can remember these with the help of the acronym FANBOYS. Have a look at the example below. Beth doesn't like cheese, yet she eats pizza nearly every day. Note that the clause Beth doesn't like cheese and she eats pizza nearly every day are of equal importance in the sentence, and they are connected with the coordinating conjunction yet. Now, let's review the use of conjunctions and practice a bit. Remember, the subordinating conjunctions link two clauses, a main or independent one and a subordinate, dependent one. Read the following sentence and underline the correct ones. Yet, if it is raining outside, take an umbrella so that, unless you want to get wet. If it rains outside, take an umbrella unless you want to get wet. Also remember that correlative conjunctions connect two equal grammatical items. Read the following sentence and underline the correct ones. Either, neither did they message her afterwards, or nor did they invite her over again. Neither did they message her afterwards, nor did they invite her over again. Note that coordinating conjunctions are used to link words, phrases, and clauses of equal importance in a sentence. Read the following sentence and underline the correct ones. You claim to be allergic to dairy, yet, or you eat cheese, and butter. You claim to be allergic to dairy, yet you eat cheese and butter. Here is a short story using conjunctions. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. I heard that Eric is moving to a new place. Is that true? Yeah, he is moving to a bigger apartment with his girlfriend. Even though they haven't been dating for that long, they decided to live together to save some money. Yeah, it actually makes sense as rent is so expensive right now. Totally. As long as they get along, I don't see a problem with them living together so soon. And now, it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following text and underline the conjunctions. The studio was filled with the rich odor of roses, and when the light summer wind stirred amidst the trees of the garden, there came through the open door the heavy scent of the lilac, or the more delicate perfume of the pink flowering thorn. As the painter looked at the gracious and comely form he had so skillfully mirrored in his art, a smile of pleasure passed across his face and seemed about to linger there. But he suddenly started up, and closing his eyes, placed his fingers upon the lids, as though he sought to imprison within his brain some curious dream from which he feared he might awake. The Picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde. And now, let's check your answers. And when, or, as, and, but, and, as though. Thank you for watching this tutorial.